The price of Bitcoin is about to see a major break towards the upside, and I think the move that we're having on the 4 hourly time frame is just the start of something incredible, right? So we have an ascending bull flag, which we'll talk about. We have the Bitcoin double bottom pattern finally trying to see a bullish break towards the upside. It's been pretty long, but what's been even longer was the formation of this descending broadening channel, which started in March, and now I think like a good 200 days later, we're trying to go back to the resistance to break above it and hopefully complete this cup and handle pattern to break to new all-time highs. I'm very bullish. I'm long on Bitcoin. I'm long on Ethereum. So stay tuned until the end of this video to find out exactly why and where I think the price of Bitcoin will head towards. But before we do so, destroy the like button, subscribe to the Crypto Kid channel if you're not a Crypto Kid already. We're just 30 subscribers away from 40,000 subscribers. If we can reach that target by the end of today, it would mean the absolute world to me. Now, let's go to the 4 hourly time frame because this ascending bull flag got confirmed and will likely continue to break towards the upside. Usually I wouldn't FOMO into long positions before I get a daily confirmation that the neckline of this double bottom is broken. However, I did take the risk here, and I did take the risk on my personal trading portfolio as well. So I am long at this moment in time. My stop loss here is set at 64,400, and I think I will keep that because if we do see the bearish divergence getting played out, it's getting unlikelier that it's gonna play out. But even if it does, then I will wait for an entry again as soon as we close the daily candle above the 64.8k area in 7 hours and 51 minutes. I will reevaluate, but most likely it does appear that Bitcoin is gonna decide to break out and head to the new target of, I would say, the resistance of this descending broadening channel at $68,000. That is the target that I assume the price of Bitcoin will reach towards, but I'm not going to take profit there. The place that I'm going to be taking profit will be at, I'll tell you now, or in fact, I'll show you, the place that I'm taking profit for Bitcoin is going to be at a level that is a little bit mind-blowing and shocking to believe. The target is 126,000, maybe just under, but my target for the Bitcoin bull market is between 95, which I think is becoming more conservative now, between 95 to $135,000. So between this range, I will be selling my Bitcoin actively, but I will always keep 40% of my HODL portfolio. I will always keep this forever, regardless if price goes down or up. 40% will always remain there, but the 60%, I want a dollar cost average out to potentially buy some altcoins that I think could outperform Bitcoin, just like what happened in 2021. We are in a huge rising wedge for Bitcoin dominance, meaning that altcoin season is starting very, very soon. So the only reason I will be selling Bitcoin is to buy altcoins, which after I make profits, I'll go ahead and buy Bitcoin again. I hope that makes sense. But in the short term, I am bullish on Bitcoin. I think we can reach the 68k area potentially by the first half of next week. And if we break above the descending broadening channel, then I am waiting for this cup and handle to be completed. When Bitcoin reaches back to, of course, the prior all-time high, that's when we'll get the final confirmation. And with the break of the prior all-time high, the Bitcoin bull market, or in fact, the best part of the Bitcoin bull market will finally begin. I'm currently long Bitcoin. I would wait for, if you want to long, of course, nothing in this video is financial advice, but if you want to jump into a long position, I would be waiting for the daily candle close. And if we're over 64.8, then going long would make sense. Another point which I will go long is the break of this descending broadening channel at 68.3, let's say. And then finally, I will go long at the breakout of the prior all-time high, which is the completion of this cup and handle pattern. If you want to find out how you can open a long position, then make sure to watch the second video. It explains how you can use a cryptocurrency exchange, how you can long Bitcoin, short Bitcoin, buy Bitcoin on spot. It's a very, very short tutorial, but it's very comprehensive at the same time. And the best thing to do is to first open a cryptocurrency exchange account using either Bitflex if you want to long, short, buy Bitcoin like I do so on the channel, or if you want to buy Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies for the first time with cash, with a bank account or with a credit card, then you can use Bybit to do that. Those are the two exchanges that I'm using to long Bitcoin and buy Bitcoin on a daily basis. But the final topic of this video is, of course, the altcoin market, which is about to see a major move towards the upside as soon as the Bitcoin dominance falls below this rising wedge pattern. Every single altcoin in the top 50 will go up exponentially. And a couple of my altcoin picks include Solana, VeChain. We have Polkadot, which is $4. It's insane that Polkadot is $4. Polygon, BNB. I think BNB is a little bit overpriced, but I still think it will do well in the bull market. And I don't know if I said Chainlink. Chainlink is one for sure. Cardano is a major one. I met Charles Hoskinson, and I'm super bullish on Cardano after that conversation. So those altcoins should perform very well. You could have a degen portfolio, which is 10% of your portfolio. Then you can find altcoin gems that are in the $50 million, $100 million, $20 million market cap ranges. And if they're promising projects, if they're building, if they have a revenue structure, then those are projects you can get into to try and catch that 100x opportunity. I think meme coins are going to fade away now, and projects with real value will come back, just like what happened in 2021. So I would try and steer away from meme coins and attempt to find good projects that are building good products, because these will outperform the rest of the market. From a macroeconomic and a fundamental analysis point of view, the ECB, which is the European Central Bank, China, and a lot of other countries are cutting their interest rates. So in the short term, that's good that they're stimulating the economy. But in the intermediate term, I honestly don't know if we'll see a pump, and then we'll see a drop potentially from 95K. I don't know if that's going to happen, and then we get a small recession, and then Bitcoin continues to 135. That could be a scenario. All I'm pretty certain on from the data I'm analyzing personally is that Bitcoin is primed to go up from here. I don't know for how long, I don't know up to what figure, but we should go up from where we are sitting today. But guys and girls, that is pretty much it for today's video. There was one more indicator I wanted to mention, but I'll save that for the free Telegram community, for the crypto kids on Telegram, which you can join by using this link here. If you want to find out the final bullish indicator that I forgot to mention in this video, I will be sharing it there. And if you have any questions about Bitcoin, any questions about the market, you can also ask me in the Telegram group. But guys and girls, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all on the next video very, very soon. Take care, guys, and bye-bye.